So आज कोलकाता में और कोलकाता में I have purposely booked a property which is heritage property. Generally we stay in some of the known five-star one, but this is actually a very old 125 years property called Astor Hotel in Park Street area, and I booked it because it's nearby my go-to locations where I have to go, and I've heard a lot about it. It's just a two-floor property, heritage property. There is no lift here, no elevator here. Let's go inside. This looks like it is one of the most reviewed and one of the most preferred property of the tourists. You know, those who know, they know. I asked my colleagues also, and if you see the decor and the ambience and the people, okay, a very good staff. Come in, Acho. Okay, and you can. It's so picturesque. You can take a picture any part of the hotel. Okay. I happen to ask Drapti. Drapti is the manager here, property manager, right? Front office manager. Hi, hi, Drapti. So, Drapti, just tell a little bit about this property. I'm totally mesmerized by the way. You know.
Property is basically 125 years old. So
Wow.
1905 this property was done.
It used to be a house, or it used to be a hotel even that time.
It used to be a guest house before.
Wow.
Prior to that it was a horses stable, and then it moved to a guest house, then slowly into hotels, and then finally we came up with Astor.
Quite a history.
Quite
Wow.
history.
And since
Yes.
when this is the hotel, Astor Hotel?
It's from 1905.
Wow.
So prior to 1905 it was a guest house, prior to that it was a horses stable.
I'm sure it must be a little. It cost a lot to upkeep it, right? The way
Yes,
it is,
Of course.
you know, because you have maintained that traditional touch.
Yes, and also
Look at this little detailing, you know, on the this particular thing, and this sign is. Yeah, you were saying something, Trapti.
we have also come as a Astor Goa. Now that's a totally a
Oh, you got a
luxury
Astor in Goa also.
property. Yes.
Wow.
It's just been a month that we have opened up.
Which part of Goa?
কোথায় আছি জানো ওটা?
Kothai in Goa.
South.
South Goa? Okay. Let us know. I'm going to go again in February.
Okay, I'll share the
It's my go-to destination. In fact, I was just talking to someone about it, you know, on the phone. But yeah, and that part is restaurant, is it?
Yes, that's the Kababi.
Kawabi Q.
Kababi.
Wow, Kawabi Q, huh? It's like barbecue. Oh my goodness. And when you come here, you would be mesmerized by you know, there's no hurry here, looks like. There's no hurry of food, you know. You got to come here, you got to taste the kebab.
Food comes on time.
Food comes on time. Wow. Say it again. It's no hurry for food, but food comes on time, right? Wow. Beautiful. Looks like one of the go-to destination of all Kolkatans. You call it Kolkata or Calcutta?
Kolkata.
Was it tough when the name was changed to call it Kolkata those days?
Not really, but whenever it has been communicated to somebody else, then it turns into Calcutta.
Now we have imbibed Kolkata only. That it's
Like
been
what
now
we
20 years,
refer
I guess,
to-
right?
Yes.
So I'll just go up and, you know, go to my room. This is 211, right? Yeah. Thank you, Trapti. Okay. So the good part is there's no elevator in the hotel. And whenever you look at these walls, you just leave yourself in a era which is bygone, but which is actually beautiful and lavish. Love it. आपका नाम क्या जी? आकाश. आकाश मुझे आकाश की ओर ले जा रहे हैं. But before he takes me up, look at that. Look at that. The wall of history, I would say. Courthouse, Kolkata. Alipur, Choose center of Kolkata. Wow. Very courteous staff. Wow. I'm really mesmerized by the property. कितने रूम है यहाँ पे?
35।
हर फ्लोर पे 17?
ये सेकंड फ्लोर में 14।
14, ओके. क्या बात है. And while the outside world was pretty reminding us of the old time, they got all the modern facilities. कुछ मैडम ने वो, yeah, there is something here on the state of the hotel. They have got a terrace for us. Voila. You can sit here, you can have a smoke. क्या नाम है सर आपका?
मेरा नाम जगदीश है।
जगदीश. जगदीश बाबू, आप कोलकाता से? ब्यूटीफुल.
ये लगेज है, ठीक है।
थैंक यू जगदीश बाबू.
उधर मिनी बस है, इसमें
नो प्रॉब्लम, थैंक यू.
जरूरत नंबर इसमें कर देना।
किस नंबर पे फ़ोन करना है? नो प्रॉब्लम, थैंक यू वेरी मच जगदीश जी. सो गाइज, थैंक यू. सो भाई, ये एक छोटा सा होटल का व्यू था. बहुत ही मज़ेदार होटल है, मज़ा आ गया जी. And in spite of staying in all those 5-star hotels, I try to look for those heritage properties. And that's where you know the history of the city. There's a lot of history around this hotel. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe to my channel. And let me know what should I post more. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.